And he's biting me. He wants to love. But he's got dementias. He's got dementias. Ow, ow. Okay. Who's got the cat dementias?
Much better.
Cat dementias.
I took the phone off the hook.
Which is cat dementias. Cause he loves the rubbings. He wants the scratchings. But then he forgets.
What if you have to go back?
You're so fucking... Your memory gone? Is your memory gone? Because you love. And then... What's up? You still loving? We're still loving? Cat dementia. Any timers?
Why do they do that to us? It's so painful.